Hello friends, welcome to the solid design principle in C Sharp. In this tutorial we will see our dependency inversion principle in C Sharp, and we will see like how it works in the software application in in the organizations. So basically this dependency inversion principle says like high level module should not depend on the low level modules. Both should depend on the abstraction. And what is the meaning of this? Like I have a one uh, um, base class and another is the drive class. So these two class should not directly depend on each other. There should be one abstraction or interface in between them, so they can contact with them via that abstraction. And abstraction should not depend on the details should depend on the abstraction. So that is the basically thing. If we create any interface, then there should be implementation of that interface, and through that it should uh, talk to each other. So we will understand this dependency inversion within an example. So that is the motto, like high level module should not depend on the low level module. So let's go to the Visual Studio. Here I have created a one simple class, and this class says like I have created a one customer data access interface, and this contain one method called get uh, customer name, and based on the id I'm going to get one customer name. And apart from this I have another class, and that is the class is basically inherited from this customer data access, and it has one constructor and the method implementation which we have declared inside the interface. So I have given the implementation of this. And the next is the I have one data access layer, basically, which is basically a static method. It contains one static method called get customer data access object, and it is returning the object of this customer data access from here. So that is the one another class, and there is a one more class where we have to write our business logic basically related to the customer. So here I have taken an object of this interface, and there is a one constructor, and it is returning this object basically from this get a customer data object. So it is returning from here, and there is a one method implementation here, and that is the get customer name. So basically it is implemented here. So what from here, what we are looking like here, if you will see in this example, we can see like high level module. So what is the high level module? So high level module here is like this is the class. So this is the high level module and low level module. So low level module here is customer data access are depend on an abstraction. So here we can see like these two, this is the higher level and this is the lower level. So both are depend on the, like we can see like both are depend on the this abstraction, basically depend on this interface. And also abstraction means this customer data access does not depend on the detail, and we can see here like it is a declaration, not the implementation. So it does not depend on the details, but the detail depend on the abstraction. So that is the thing of the dependency inversion. So what it trying to say, like high level module, this high level module and low level module are depend on the abstraction, and the abstraction is not depend on the details, but the detail depend on the abstraction. So that is the thing of the dependency inversion in the C sharp. So basically like what are the advantage of implementing this dependency inversion? And so in this example we can see like customer business logic, this class and customer data access classes are loosely coupled classes, basically because customer business logic does not depend on the concrete of data access class. Instead it include a reference of the customer data access. Basically this is a reference of this customer data interface. So now we can easily use another class which implement I customer data access with a different implementation. So that is the advantage of this dependency inversion. Like both these are not tightly coupled with this logic. Like for get the customer name, if we are going to get another like class or the method, we can directly use this interface. So that is the advantage of using this dependency inversion principle in C sharp. So if you have any doubt or question, please comment. Thank you.